Alright you guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you a site where you can promote your YouTube videos called Sharree. I have been using this site since 2017 and it was brought to my attention when I looked up a certain YouTuber and came across this video on their channel. So I'm going to walk you through Sharree a bit. Now firstly, they have a rule to where you need to comment on 3 posts before you can share your videos. They do not allow sub for sub, and they also do not allow low effort comments like great video, nice, cool. You actually have to put a little more effort into your comments. So promoting your videos is fairly simple. All you have to do is just get the link to the video that you would like to promote, go over to the part that says new share, and just fill in the details of your video. Fairly simple, right? And the views that you get on Sharree will count on YouTube. However, the person who clicks on the video on Sharree has to play the video in order for it to count. I suggest you guys check out Sharree. I will have a link in the description for you to check out this site. So thanks for watching this video, and I am going to be reinstating some old tutorials that I've made in the past, before I rebranded. After seeing that just relying on one niche is a horrible idea. So this channel will be gaming, art, and tutorials. Like I said, I'm for having, a couple of niches on the channel. And you will kind of know why in further videos why I hate having one niche on the channel. So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more. Salute the like button, salute the subscribe button to join the Halton Army. It'll be nice to see you. Anyways, stay frosty, have a great day, night, evening, whatever time it is where you live. And I'm out.